I woke up this morning and took a breath outside. I said, "Smell that freedom, baby. Smell that freedom." Welcome back to Sun Pop Shop. I have a build me and Pops want to do. It's another rat rod. The other rat rod we had on the channel, we had to get rid of when we moved. But we have another one. We picked it up. It was $1,200. Need your help on it. Need your help with ideas on it. We need, well, mostly we need like ideas. So we want to make it military themed. Its name's going to be Freedom. So we want to do military stuff on it. We want to use military stuff on the car and stuff like this. So we need ideas on what to do. But we just mostly wanted to start building stuff with our hands again, instead of doing like the little restoration stuff again. Like not the restoration stuff, but like the painting and stuff like that. We wanted to actually make something again, because that's when it's fun, when you can be creative. But if you or anybody you know is in the military or was in the military, please like share this out to them, so I can try and get ideas on what to use on the rat rod to make it military themed. I was thinking like helmets for the headlights, like put it over the headlight, have the little, you know, circle headlights, but have the helmet over the top, have the little strap as like what holds the headlight, stuff like that. But need ideas, need your guys' help on this one. But so yeah, I'm gonna show you what it is. We picked this up. It was $1,200. Didn't know if it ran or anything when we got it, but I'll show you it right now. Well, this is the rat rod. Like I said, we got it. Don't know if it runs or anything. We got it to pop off a little bit, but we never got it to like run. So we know it's not all seized up and stuff, but nothing special. 350. S10 chassis, of course, because you gotta S10 swap these things. Whoever did this, good job. Did this, good job. We're gonna leave it. Nah, I don't know. Might fix that up a little bit. Bed got all redone. Just some fence poles and just some sheet metal. Wider tires on the back. Nothing fancy done to it. This is how we got it. Like I said, we paid $1,200 for it. Needs floors. Needs everything built. Oh, it's echoey in there. The guy did do the dash. Did put this quick release steering wheel on there. So that's cool. No wiring. Got the whole wiring kit up on the porch. Got to put that in the video. See if we can get this running and idling and stuff like that. Like I said, nothing fancy. Disc on the front, drums on the back. But we need your help with what we're gonna do with it. What we're gonna put on it. Do we put an American flag up top? And then put, you know, the branches on the door? What do we do? Need help. Need help on this one. That way we could be creative and go from there. But I said nothing fancy, missing these holes. But for $1,200, I figured might as well get it just for that. Pops agreed. Like I was saying, maybe do like a, I don't even know, helmet with a little thing. Go from there with that. But let us know in the comments what you think we should do with it. We obviously need to get glass. That door glass is broke. There's not one in that door. There's no glass in it, so, well, technically no glass. Well, yeah, let us know what you think we should do with it. Give us ideas, comment it down below. We got some work to do on it, but it's a rat rod, so it'll be fun. Catch you guys in the next one. Please like, share, subscribe. Please share it out to your friends who you think would have like any idea on what to do here, because we're open to anything. All right, catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.